eyes are shining and my dress is sparkling. I'm feeling so happy, I just have to sing.
The hair I want to sell.
Thank you. Here is your money.
I'm going to buy so many yummy treats today. I can't wait to see all the shops. Wow, look at all these wonderful toys. I wonder what adventures we can have here.
Here is the money. Thank you. Please come next time.
Come on, little one. Let's go inside. There we go. All cozy now. Oh dear, you are so innocent.
I am sorry, Mommy.
It's okay, dear. I forgive you. This one is absolutely perfect for tonight. Now, let's see if it fits. Oh, yes, this emerald green is perfect. What a lovely day for a stroll.
It is. Everyone is looking at us.
Of course, darling.
Ew, look at her.
Who is she? She has no hair.
She is such a weirdo.
Look at that bald monster. Where's your hair?
I am sorry, Mommy. You had to suffer because of me.
It's okay, baby. It's not your fault. These people are mean.
I have an idea to grow your hair back, Mom.
What is it?
It's a secret, Mom. You wait and watch. You will be surprised. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it's fizzing. Wow, a beautiful rainbow.
Let's add a little sparkle. Yes, it's fizzing perfectly. Now for the final touch. I have finished my works.
Mom, I brought your medicine.
Oh, thank you, dear. Here you go. What do you think?
You look amazing.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Look at us, my dear. We are the stars of the show.
Yes, everyone is cheering for us.
What a beautiful day for a drive.
Yeah, so fast. Look at all the buildings. Wow.
Ready for our walk, sweetie?
Yes, Mommy, it's so sparkly.
It is. Hold my hand tight.
This is so yummy.
It really is. Let's go for a walk. What a wonderful day for shopping.
Yes, I love our new dresses.
Here we are, sweetie. Let's find a pair of shoes for me.
Which one is better? This or that one?
I think this looks better.
These heels look really pretty on me, isn't it, my girl?
Oh, yes, Mommy. They look perfect.
Mommy, I'm starving. Let's eat something. What do you want? A pizza or burger?
I want pizza. Let's order now.
We'll have a large cheese pizza, please.
Yay, cheese pizza.
With extra cheese, if you don't mind. This pizza is amazing. It's the best. Want another slice?
Yes, please. Let's go to adventure.
Ready for some fun?
Yes, let's go.
Hold on tight to the balloons.
I will.
Remember to like our channel and subscribe for more content.